How do we identify projects? We can identify using brainstorming. Brainstorming is where you call a cross-functional team. You bring together a lot of people from different functions, and together you all discuss what is it that we should do a project on. Where is it that there is a problem in our organization? There is something which we need to improve. What is critical to quality, which is where we are lacking? Let us find that out. Brainstorming is a simple exercise based on that. Call everyone together, sit and brainstorm and arrive at what is the project you should do. How many of you have heard of 5 why analysis? We must keep asking why till we arrive at the actual root cause. Though we call it 5 why analysis, it need not stop at 5, or it need not go up to 5 also. Sometimes you may arrive at the root cause without going 5 whys. Why is not required. Maybe at 3 whys only you can arrive at root cause. So that is how you do root cause analysis. Do not assume that this is the root cause and then do it. So always you must go deeper and arrive at 5 why analysis. Next is something called Gamba. You know what is Gamba? Gamba is the Japanese meaning the real place. So for example, Japanese detectives call the crime scene Gamba. And Japanese TV reporters may refer to themselves as reporting from Gamba, or the place where the action is taking place. Reporting from Gamba means reporting from the place where the action is taking place. So the floor. So imagine training. First, you are recruited by an organization. After recruitment, you go through one level of training. Certain number of people pass, certain fail. Then they are given retraining. And then they also pass. And finally enter the process. If you look at classical yield, what will you say? 50% people were recruited, 45 people went into operations. That means 95% yield. That yield does not look at how much of rework went into retraining, repassing, and then reaching here. That is a wrong way of looking at yield. Therefore, we look at something called rolled throughput yield. Okay, so to understand how is the input and output of a process, we can look at something called rolled throughput yield. Another process way in which you can look at whether there is a way to do a project is looking at benchmarking. So what do you do in benchmarking? You have a set of students, or you have a child, correct? You have a kid. What do you tell the child when he tells you what is his mark? आपके दोस्त का कितना था? Got the first mark? वही बोलते हैं ना हम. Nowadays parents have got improved a bit, but usually that is what parents used to say. You got only 80, they got 90. What is he doing better? What is he doing differently that he's scoring more? Find out. Check karo. Seeko kuch unse. Exactly, that is benchmarking. Find out what is best in class performance. Find out what is best in class performance and compare. That is benchmarking. So, and then use that to identify where is it that you can improve to do.